So guys, we're going here in Dollar Tree. This is Mr. Ranch. So he's so excited to check here in Dollar Tree for the balloons. Come on. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Here are the balloons, Michael. See the balloons here. Check the balloon. You buy balloon one. Come on.
I will be happy. I will be happy if I'm here in
Dollar Tree, yeah.
Outside, I'm a little bit scared.
No, it's not. You just check one. Come on. You just check one.
The sky is scaring.
No, I'm not. It will gone later, okay? So enjoy the balloons. Here we go, the balloons. So you want that?
I miss if the sky will be blue.
Yeah, later. Just wait for it. These are the balloons now displayed.
The sunshine.
The sunshine is coming. That's why you buy balloons, right? So
I want to fly the balloon.
no, you need to pay first that one. Don't fly it. See, this is the balloons right now. Just put it back there if you don't like it. You get one?
Yes.
Get one. So these are the balloons right now. It's beautiful. No, you don't be so scared. It's just a cloudy. See?
My face is scared.
It's normal to scared, Michael. That's a normal feeling. So these are the balloons for small one.
My face
See?
is scared. Can we go home because of the sky?
No, it's not. It's just a little bit cloudy. See, look at those. Come on.
I want to go home.
Not yet.
Look.
Yeah, it's just normal. So you want to go back there?
Yes.
And see, these are the balloons. Wait for me. You're good.
I'm so afraid.
Why you're so afraid?
Because the